I'm Anaya. Welcome back to Unwire. My brother just asked me a question. Why do we get hiccups? Because he got the hiccups. And I was like, wow, that's perfect for a video. Even though I just posted my what if we lost gravity for 10 seconds video 2 minutes ago. It's okay, right? So today we're gonna find out why we get hiccups and maybe even try some fun things maybe to see how they happen. Okay, so hiccups happen because of a tiny muscle under our legs called the diaphragm. Or is it the diaphragm? I forgot. Okay, let's just continue. Sometimes it suddenly moves or contracts really fast. When all that happens, your vocal cords snap shut and hic. That's the hiccup sound. It can happen if you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, or laugh too much. Ha 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 ha! Or even just for no reason at all. So here's a mini challenge. Let's drink. Okay, let's try some fun things that can give you hiccups. But disclaimer: hiccups can last a long time. Okay, if you are getting these hiccups, right? If you want to try it, I would rather suggest don't try it. But if you want to, it's at your own risk. Also, be careful because hiccups can last 2 days. Once I had a hiccup and it lasted 3 days, and I had to go to the doctors. So yeah, don't try it. I would suggest it. But if you really are curious and you never had hiccups, you can. So let's I'm gonna tell you some things that can give us hiccups, that can cause hiccups. Okay, the first thing would be is taking a big gulp of water really fast. Oh, like that. So don't do that. It's at your own risk. Okay, eat or drink too quickly. Okay, and then make yourself laugh really hard. Ha 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 ha. Sound effects. Okay, pause for a few seconds and think that which of these things like get you the hiccups the most, okay? And if you want to try it, you can it's at your own risk. And also comment below. Have you ever noticed when you get hiccups the most? I get hiccups the most when I just for no reason, I guess. Okay, so comment below. I would love to see your answers. For why do you get hiccups? Okay, so let's do the section 3. Quick tips to stop hiccups. If you have hiccups right now, do these tricks, and if you don't, it's okay. Just remember these tricks, and these are just 3 tricks, right? So if you remember these, oh no, 4. If you remember 4 lines, it could be easier for you, right? So there you go. If you have hiccups and you want to stop them, here are some tricks people use. If you have hiccups, then hold your breath for a few seconds, Okay, I'm just joking. I was breathing through my nose. Okay, drink water slowly, like that. Eat a little sugar because that helps it. And sometimes just waiting also works. Hiccups usually go away on their own. Okay, so ending of this video, and that's why we get hiccups. Super weird, but also kind of cool, right? So if you have a question you want me to explore next, leave it in the comments. Maybe it'll be in my next video. Don't forget it. to like, share, and subscribe so you can see more experiments on Unwire. And that's the story.